Please read all operating instructions before operating the unit, and make sure that all individuals using the unit have read the instructions and been made aware of all safety precautions. Remember, do not exceed the maximum lifting capacity of 350 pounds. This may result in damage to the lift or personal injury. When preparing the lift for use, turn the battery switch into the on position. Check the status of the battery indicator. If battery indicator is green, the unit is ready for use. If the battery indicator shows orange or red, follow the battery charging guidelines. To charge the battery, plug the charger into a standard outlet. The green LED on the charger will light up, indicating that the charger is on. Plug the charging cable into the charging port on the back of the battery. The status LED will change to red, indicating the battery is charging. When the battery is fully charged, the status LED will change to green. The following should be performed periodically to ensure safe and dependable use. Remove any discoloration of stainless steel components with a 3M scratch pad. Then, wipe the surfaces clean with a sponge dampened with SpectraClean. Repeat these steps several times to passivate the stainless steel. Next, rinse with non-chlorinated water. Do not spray with high-pressure water. SpectraClean kits are available from Spectrum Aquatics. Check all electrical connections. Check any external electrical cables for wear and/or breakage in the outer insulation. Check all mechanical connections. Inspect the nylock nuts on all moving parts and make sure they are snug. Lubricate all pivot points with light oil. To maintain the battery properly, the battery must be fully charged at least every 3 months. If the battery goes for longer than 3 months without a charge, the battery will have reduced capacity. Apply dielectric grease to the battery and receiver connections where the battery and receiver meet. Remember to use extreme caution when transferring to or from the lift. It is the responsibility of the user to allow for safe operation of this lift. Unlock the remote by holding the lock button on the transmitter for 3 seconds. Position the chair over the deck in a suitable position for transfer using the directional buttons on the transmitter. Carefully transfer into the lift seat and fasten the seat belt. Rotate the lift over the water where it will not come into contact with the pool edge or any obstruction using the left or right buttons. Lower the lift into the water until buoyant by pushing the down button. Unfasten the seat belt and carefully move away from the lift. Return the lift to an on-deck position using the directional buttons on the remote. Unlock the remote by holding the lock button on the transmitter for 3 seconds. Recall the lift into the water to a comfortable depth and position for transfer using the directional arrows. Carefully transfer into the lift seat from the water and fasten the seat belt. Lift the seat straight up using the up directional arrow on the transmitter until at the top of the lifting range. Rotate the chair into a suitable position on deck to transfer from the lift seat. Unfasten the seat belt and carefully transfer out of the lift.